Hey, I thought in this video I would share an interesting VS Code tip that I frequently use. My situation is that I want from where I'm at in this file to navigate back to the object which contains all these methods, all of them. What can I do for this is that I put my cursor on any method, then I press Ctrl Shift backslash, and then I press Ctrl Shift backslash once again. This will lead me to the matching bracket so I can switch back and forth. And in the end, here is the object name revealed. Let's quickly do this one more time. Let's say I choose use layout effect. I make sure that the cursor is on it. Otherwise, it will switch back and forth between the methods brackets, as you can see. So I put the cursor on the method name, then I press Ctrl Shift backslash, and then I repeat the operation, and here is the object name.